Namaste everyone and welcome to my channel Sapna's Yoga Diary. Another short practice for you. This practice we are going to do in the standing position. This is going to combine yogicsukshmavyayama with some asanas. So take the position, keep your feet together, head straight, eyes open. Move your head side to side, side to side. Breathing normally, naturally. Side to side. Gentle movement. Now, switch. Move your head up and down, up and down as freely as is comfortable to you. Breathing normally, naturally. Now, start rotating your head. One clockwise movement. One anti-clockwise movement. Breathe normally, naturally. Complete 5 rotations. One clockwise and one anti-clockwise rotation will cover one round. After 5 rotations, relax. Next, as you inhale, move your arms up sideways. As you exhale, bring your arms down. Do not touch your thigh, don't touch your head, even arms won't be touching each other. The sound should come only from the breath. Inhale up, exhale down. As you get comfortable, start increasing the pace of the practice. Inhale up, exhale down. Keep moving. Relax. Now, as you inhale, move your arms up, bend back from the upper body as much as is comfortable. Exhale, return. Inhale up, bend back. Exhale, return. Inhale up, bend back. Exhale, return. Inhale up, bend back. Exhale, return. One more. Inhale up, bend back. Exhale, return. Let's do one more time. Inhale up, bend back. Exhale, return. Next. Now, keeping your feet together, take your arms up, interlock your fingers, stretch your arms up and hold. Keep your feet grounded. Do not lift your heels up. Just stretch your arms up. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly release the interlocked fingers and bring your arms down. Okay. Now clench your fist with the right hand. Take it back. Hold it with the left from the wrist. Keep it in the middle of your back. Feet together. Eyes open. Inhale, bend back. Exhale, bend forward. 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 One more time. Inhale, bend back. Exhale, bend forward. Now come to the center. Inhale. Switch your arms. Clench fist with the left. Hold it with the right. Keep it in the middle of your back. Feet together. Eyes open. As you inhale, bend back. Exhale, bend forward. 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 One more. Inhale, bend back. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, come in the center. Exhale, release. Now open your legs wide and comfortable. Toes pointing outward. Press your heels down to get a good grip on the mat. Palms on your waist. Palms on your waist, thumb in front, forefingers back. Rolling your shoulders backward. As you inhale, bend back. Exhale, bend forward. 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 Now inhale, come in the center. Exhale, release. Now cover your buttocks with the palm, separating your fingers, legs apart, around 2 feet, little bit more than the shoulder level distance. Pressing your buttocks, bend back, inhaling and hold. Hold the posture, not the breath. Keep breathing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Exhale, bend forward. Keep your feet together this time. Stay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now as you inhale, stretch your arms up above the head. Slowly exhale, bring your arms down, relax. Next. Now open your arms sideways, deep inhale in the center, exhale, bend on the side. Inhale, center, exhale, 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 side. Now inhale, center, exhale, release. Now open your legs, shoulder level distance between the feet. Extend your arms forward, fingers together. Now twist back, gazing at the thumb of the back hand. So you're going to twist like this, gazing at the thumb of the back hand. And then switch to the other side. Breathing will be constant exhalation. As you twist back, you exhale. Inhalation will be short. Exhale, exhale, exhale. So breathe in this pattern. Relax. Now, in the next movement, as you inhale, you are going to open your arms and legs. As you exhale, you are going to close. Don't hit your thigh, don't touch your head. Even arms won't be touching each other. Go as fast as is comfortable. Inhale, open, exhale, close. Relax. Relax 3, 2, and 1. Now for the next practice, keep your feet together. Extend your arms in front of you. Inhale in the center. Exhale, bend down. Bend down till the point when your thighs become parallel to the mat and hold. Hold with normal breathing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly up. Exhale, release. Good. Next practice. For the next practice, balance with one foot and rotate the other foot from the ankle. Breathing normally, naturally. Just rotate the ankle. Now reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Down. Same thing with the other foot. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Down. Feet together with every count. Lift your heels up. 1, 2, 3. Normal breathing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Relax. Now, this is the last physical practice. Open your legs wide and comfortable. Toes pointing outward. Press your heels down. Clench your fist. Arms up. Left front, right back. Crisscross. Inhale. Pull your body up. Retaining the breath. Twist back. Bend your body on the left side. Switch your arms. Inhale up. Retain the breath. Twist back. Exhale. Bend on the right side. Switch your arms. Inhale up, twist back, exhale down, switch arms. Inhale up, twist back, exhale down, switch arms. Keep moving like this. Relax. Relax. Relax for some time in the standing position. To cool down, inhale, stretch your arms up, sideways, exhale, down. Inhale, stretch your arms up, exhale, down. One more time. Inhale up, exhale, down. Release and relax. Relax in Shavasana. With your legs apart, head, neck, spine in one straight line, arms few inches away from the body, palm facing the sky, body in the state of relaxation. Relax in Shavasana for at least 5 minutes. After a good physical practice, Shavasana is essential. Essential to cool down, to bring your body to the normal state. I hope you enjoyed this practice. If you did, do give me a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, do subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video with new practice. Take care, keep practicing. Namaste.